Hello, it's Rich Rosen, founder and CEO of Fastcall, and I'm going to talk for a few minutes specifically about our soft phone. So we cover lots of different aspects of Fastcall on our various pages and videos. Here we're going to specifically focus on the soft phone. So I'm in console right now, and the phone is in the footer in console. And inside of our application, we give you the option to pick your calling device, and I'll show you in a minute where this is set up. You may see many phones there, depending upon what's set up in your org, or maybe you just see the soft phone, but it's selected here as a device. The soft phone is using your office internet, and it is preferred to have a strong wired connection, and your browser to complete your call. Chrome is the preferred browser. So you're not using traditional office phone. You don't need any other type of soft phone. Sometimes we're asked that question. It's completely self-contained. You plug in a high-quality noise-canceling wired headset into your laptop or PC, and off you go. There's no other installs, plugins, nothing else is required. It's entirely happening in Salesforce and entirely native. But I did mention that does rely on your browser. So let's just start a call here. You will see here in the browser, actually, can you see that? Maybe I need to shrink this down a little bit. There we go. So here in the browser, you're going to see Chrome is allowing access to the microphone, which is important. So the very first time you make a call, Chrome is going to ask you, Firefox does the same, can we allow this application? So one thing in the browser, you don't want to have a gazillion tabs open. Each tab in Chrome uses some RAM, and if you have tons, if you are a tabaholic, you might degrade some of your RAM, and that can affect your phone call quality. So you don't want that. So you do want to make sure you don't have too many tabs open. There is also a way for us to get some real-time feedback. You see a little green thing right there. So that we're actually using an advanced setting with Twilio that's telling us the quality of our call connection. Now I'm on a wired internet connection right now, so I'm green. If I was on Wi-Fi and I was on some bad connection, you may see that turning red. All right, so let's get rid of this, and we're going to go take a look at those settings. So there's two things I want to show you here inside of the settings. The first is importantly, well, how do where do we turn the soft phone on? So the first thing we want to do is under as an admin, you have to decide whether you want your users to see the soft phone. And if the answer was no, well, you're watching this video, I don't know. But soft phone would be enabled here. It is enabled by default, but your other devices are here. So if you didn't want your users to see anything else but the soft phone, you would click all of this off and you'd only have the soft phone. Keypad is here too. So that's the soft phone. Yeah, I think that's all you need to know. So soft phone is awesome. When we released Fastcall, soft phone was not the most common solution. Most of our subscribers used the hard phone and click to call, which is still an option. But today, I have to say most of our subscribers are using the soft phone. It has become a more and more popular option. And why not? I mean, why do you need to have a desk phone hardware on your desk? When you can have a very feature-rich experience in Fastcall in the browser. Softphone also tends to be a little bit faster because we are immediately connecting the call to the browser versus having to dial the office phone like click to call. Any other questions? Shoot us an email, support@fastcall.com. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and we will talk to you guys later.